Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the memorial of Saint Alphonsus Liguori, Bishop and Doctor of the Church. Tampok po sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon ang pag-uwi ng ating Panginoon sa kanyang bayan sa Nazareth. And we know by experience that it always feels good to be back home, to be in the place where we grew up, and to see once again those people we are familiar with. Marahil sobrang galak at tuwa ng Panginoon sa kanyang pag-uwi. At gaya ng kanyang nakaugalihan, sa kanyang pag-uwi, Jesus goes to the synagogue to preach. And there, people were impressed of him. But their impression lead these people to rejection, to rejecting our Lord. They rejected Jesus because for them, He was too much. Pero bakit nga ba ang mga kababayan ng Panginoon ni-reject siya? Ang unang rason, because of the familiarity mentality. They thought they were familiar with Jesus. They thought they knew well Jesus. And so, his townmates said in our gospel today, "Isn't he the carpenter's son? Isn't Mary his mother, and aren't James, Joseph, Simon, and Judas his brothers? Aren't all his sisters living here? Where did he get all these things?" And they took offense at him. And so, this is the problem, my dear brothers and sisters. When we allow this mentality to creep in our hearts, in our mind, then we close actually the possibility of knowing better our brothers and sisters. And this is what happened to our Lord Jesus Christ. Akala nila kilala na ang Panginoon, pero hindi pala nila lubusang kilala ang Panginoon. They only knew what is external of Jesus, but they were not able to see who Jesus really is. Why? Because they were contented with what they were familiar with about our Lord. And so, sabi natin, shallow knowledge is dangerous. Pagkakaunti ang alam natin at hindi tayo naging bukas na mas mapalalim yung kaalaman natin, nagiging delikado ang ating kaalaman. And so we are invited, my dear brothers and sisters, to the experience of our Lord Jesus Christ, to be open, to be docile, to seeing the real beauty of the people around us. Na hindi tayo huhusga kung ano lamang yung naririnig natin at kung ano yung pinagsasabi ng ating mga kababay, ng ibang tao, pero sana maging bukas tayo na we really experience the truth, what is the beautiful and good in our brothers and sisters or to the people around us. Pangalawang rason, ayon sa ating ebanghelyo ngayon, bakit nireject ng kanyang mga kababayan ang Panginoon? Because of the lack of faith. So much so that Jesus was not able to perform so much or many miracles in his own time because of their lack of faith. And this is the basis of all miracles in life, because we believe, because of faith in the Lord. And this reality tells us that we can truly encounter the Lord only if we believe. Even in times that we do not see really the point of our life or where all our experience are leading us. But when we believe, then we begin to see that in all these experiences, God is present. We begin to see that God is actually directing our lives, accompanying us through our experiences, not only in joyful experiences, but even our crosses, our pains in life. We begin to see that God is really with us, even in this kinds of situation of our lives. Nasana ito mga kapatid ang ating panghawakan upang sa ganon ay lubusan nating makita ang Diyos at mas makilala natin, and we will begin to see and experience a lot of miracles in our lives. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Litawa Facebook page and YouTube channel. Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.